So like right here, that new body form below it, you can see buyers bought it up, John, right here underneath. You now have 40 seconds on this candle. You can see this is starting to go to the downside, buying or selling pressure here, here. So if I was like quick scalping, this is a put. Now what I'd have my stop loss set for is right here at 407.10. There it goes. There's the pull. 407.10 is my stop loss. Why? That's the previous body. Now right here, I could collect my money. I'm out of that trade. And then I'm looking for the next candle. You now have 10 seconds on the candle, buying pressure coming up from the bottom. Why? Because right down here, as Jimmy likes to say, right, it's waiting in the weeds. Do you see all this? There's a lot of weeds in here. We'll see what this wants to do. There it goes, still pulling. That's good. This body is now lower than the previous body. So this is already telling you, you can already see right here, it's stair stepping to the downside. You guys see this? This looks good. Still looking good. Now right here, I had a 407.01 stop. Why? That's the previous body. There it goes, John. Scalp it again. There you go. Now you're getting paid big on the pull. Take it whenever you want. Now we're coming back down to this next level right here. We'll see if this is going to bounce or get resistance. Otherwise, it's pulling. Do you see how we do that? So we read our patterns. We read our candles. We get our support resistance. We do all the things, John. That's how we make extra money more than anybody else. See how this bounced and reversed? That's a bounce. That's a call. Just like that. Do you see it? Where's my stop loss? Right here. You see the bottom of this wick? Stop loss is right here. If this pulls back, I literally lose 2 cents. Do you see it? Because this is a point of a bounce, or it's just going to pull hard, and that's why we got our stop. But I'm telling you, this is a reversal. We'll see. There it goes. Bye-bye. Go on. There it is.